Qwick Trim removes fat from brisket and other cuts of meat quickly and easily, and it does the job more safely than using a knife. The sturdy tool's stainless steel blade trims layers of fat and silver skin off large cuts of meat like brisket, pork shoulder, and more. If anyone knows their way around a brisket, it's maker Rob Wheeler. He owns a barbecue catering company in Hawaii where he sometimes trims up to 50 briskets a day.
Basically what we want to do with the Qwick Trim is you're going to take a small little bite off the fat area that you want to trim and just gently pull straight across in an upward motion. Don't force your hand downward, it'll just dig into the meat. It was designed for you just to basically run it straight across the edge of the fat.
Rob made Qwick Trim for his staff to use, and he knew other barbecue enthusiasts and grillers would appreciate this easier way to tackle the job.